Milton giving the handoff to 19. Stephon Cunningham. Looks like everyone's going to get a handoff here tonight. Cunningham got lit up on the tackle, though. He's down all the way to the 12. And he comes up here to give you the ticket. Toss play given to Cunningham. Touchdown, Stephon Cunningham. Off the barrel roll and into the end zone. Syracuse will make it 56-0 here in the fourth quarter.